Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering everything off and unplugging power. Safety prevents shorts and preserves hardware. Once done, examine both ends of the video cable and the ports under strong light. Look for bent pins, debris, or crushed insulation. If you see dirt, use compressed air. A bent pin requires careful straightening with a toothpick-sized tool. While you work, confirm the cable type so you can get the correct replacement or adapter if the problem is physical. Now you test methodically. Reconnect the cable firmly until it clicks or seats. Loose connections often mimic errors. Once reseated, power on devices and check for signal. If the error persists, swap in a known good cable to determine whether the cable or device is at fault. Next, try another monitor or alternate output port. This isolates source versus display problems. Keep notes on which combination fails so you don't repeat steps, and proceed only after you've isolated the faulty component. If the cable is damaged, replace it using a certified, shielded cable. Do not tape or jury-rig long-term. Once replaced, make sure you update graphics drivers and monitor firmware. Software can cause handshake errors even with good cables. After updates, reboot and verify the connection. If the error remains, test with an external adapter or capture device to further diagnose. One key troubleshooting tip: swap components one at a time and document results. This single variable approach finds the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.